Hey you guys, I'm back and I'm making tuna fish. I changed my mind. So let's get started. I need a small bowl. My bone. Y'all heard my bone pop. Already bone. Wash my hands. Here's my bowl there. Wash my can off. I wonder, can you guys see me? Is that better? Can y'all see? See, this is the manual can opener I was talking about. This what best fits me. I like it. And this is tuna and water. They didn't have the oil. So what I like to do with the juice is pour it in Bink's bowl. She can like drink the juice. Because when she smell me starting to make this, she gonna get a meow. So she can go right to her bowl. There you guys. And some people, they say they don't like tuna fish because it reminds them of cat food. I have a co-worker like that. You know, to each his own. Okay, so I smash it down a little bit, get all the little lumps out of it. Okay. Okay, I add a little of this Slap Your Mama in here, just a little bit, you guys, to give it a little flavor. And I also add this. Okay. And I add a little French's mustard. You can use any mustard. I know you guys know that. That you like. I put about a half a teaspoon in there. I like relish in my tuna fish. Give it that little sweetness. So, add like a tablespoon and a half of relish. I'm gonna rinse my fork off. Minutes. And believe it or not, this tuna fish here will last me like 2 or 3 sandwiches. I put in like 3 tablespoons of Hellman's. I'm just going to stir it. Okay. This is how it looks so far, you guys. Now I'm going to add my egg. almost 4 o'clock here. That's why I was just sitting around. And I said, well, let me chopping up the egg, you guys. Guess who's coming? Binks. Yeah, she going right to that tuna fish juice. And I was just sitting around, still in my kitchen. And I said, well, let me get up and fix me something. Y'all hear her lapping? I knew she was going to get up and she smelled it. Okay. That's her over there lapping. Egg. So, I smashed the egg in there real good. I had to get some black pepper. Let me show you the consistency of it. I like mine's creamy. Get a little black pepper, you guys. So, black pepper in here. So, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it get cold. And I will be back to show you my sandwich. And I'm going to clean up my kitchen. Okay, you guys? And put my lid on here. And I'll be back shortly. Okay, you guys, I'm going to try a little something different. I'm going to make me a little quick tuna melt. I just want my bread lightly toasted. Oh boy. But see, this how much tuna fish in here. That enough to last me for 3 sandwiches, that one can. So I wouldn't have to worry about cooking. I don't really feel like be cooking and all this type of stuff all the time. I need me some sweet potatoes. I want to make me some greens. Okay, so put this back in the fridge, you guys. That'll work. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little of this on here. This is sharp. Just a little Binks was in here. She ate all that stuff. Let me show you this, you guys.